Before the year's over, we'll be answering some of the most frequently asked questions in a special video. If this is your first time seeing one of our videos, welcome to our channel. As always, the answers might not be exactly what you want to hear, but we'll be honest and direct. Click the subscribe button right now because we're offering enormous value for the days after today and you don't want to miss it. With that out of the way, let's get to today's question. Should you go to college or start a business? While a college education is not required for entrepreneurship or establishing business, but it can be very beneficial because it teaches you soft skills like accountability, time management, and emotional maturity. Consider gaining experience before starting your business, whether that be through volunteer work, apprenticeship, internship, or general work experience. Before deciding to pursue entrepreneurship instead of education, you need to ask yourself a number of questions. Consider your profession, abilities, interests, experience, financial stability, and support system. This video is for those who are considering not attending college or dropping out to launch a business. Short and extremely biased response: start a business, but only if attending college doesn't feel right. Let us explain. First of all, we advise everyone to at least complete high school, because a foundational education is essential to understanding how this world works, even though you'll never actually use the weird information you learn there. Moving on to college, this is a difficult question since, as with many of them, the answer depends on the individual. Let's try to break this down. It will help you put together aspects of what the world is like, how it was formed, and how it runs. Going to school is a great idea if you have the chance to do so and it didn't bring you in debt. This is a practice that is common throughout Europe. A decent and comparable quality of higher education is offered by state-backed schools in other nations that place a larger priority on education than on profit. Additionally, college is typically the best place to network and create lifelong contacts. Therefore, if you can attain a good education, develop a network of contacts, make friends, and avoid going into debt, go for it. You'll figure out how to launch a side business. But continue with your studies. You can always leave if your business gains enough traction while you're still in university. Then there are nations like the United States where you really have to consider it and decide if the financial risk is worth the gain. Of course, the world needs professionals like physicians, doctors, teachers, and lawyers, but we're not convinced that the reward is always there today, at least for the time being, so if that is your ideal career, go for it. You should also go for anything that demands a specialized degree, such as becoming an engineer or a surgeon. The rest, though, are the ones where you kind of want to be confident that you'll find some work security and pursue your passions after graduating your degree. Spending time and money on college is a waste, sorry, but your liberal arts degree is useless in terms of the value you can add to the workforce. If you want to study management, business administration, marketing, etc., you would be better off starting your own company or working for a startup with the money you would have spent on college. You could start a small business to gain personal knowledge of the challenges and requirements for success in the modern business world. Who do you believe will have a higher chance of landing a job at the next Uber or Coinbase after 3 or 4 years? Your backup plan should be someone who actively experimented with different strategies over the past 4 years or someone who wrote an essay based on information they found on Wikipedia. This is because it takes 3 to 4 years for a business to develop, change, and adapt in order to survive and support its founder. Therefore, investing in a business degree now is less likely to guarantee the future you want. So, do we respond to your question or not? What do you think you can add on this subject? Let us know in the comments. If you want to ask a question yourself, you can do so by going to the comments down below, /question and click the comment button. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, you better click on that Neworks logo and do it right now. And thanks for watching. See you next time.